open your MySQL client and select the Shirts for Mike database. In PHPMyAdmin, after selecting the database, I can launch the SQL window here. I'll paste in all those commands I copied from the file here. I'll click Go to run these queries. Back in the main window, you can see that we have two more tables added to the database. I'll click first on the Sizes table. This shows the structure of the table. I'll next click on Browse to see the data in the table. Here are the four sizes we created. I'll next look at the relationship table. You can see here that each row contains just identifiers back to the product and to the size, and the row represents the existence of a relationship between the two. If we wanted to get a list of all the sizes that Shirt 108 is available in, how would we do that? We could write a simple query against the relationship table. This query returns 4 records because the shirt is available in 4 sizes, size 1, 2, 3, and 4. But we don't want to show the size ID to a site visitor. They'll want to see the name of the size, like small or medium. How can we retrieve that in SQL? It's in the other table, and we can retrieve that by modifying our query to join the two tables together. I'll show you how to write a query like that now, but I'll also recommend you check out the Joining Relational Data Between Tables in SQL badge as part of the Database Foundations course for a more thorough explanation of SQL joins. Let's add another table to the From clause here with an inner join statement. This is an inner join because we only want information about sizes in both tables. These two tables join on the size ID column. This joins the two tables on the size ID so that we can see all the information from the sizes table that corresponds to the size in each row in the relationship table. With the sizes table added to the From clause, we can now add its columns to the select statement. If we know the SKU of the shirt, we can look up what sizes it's available in using this query. We should also be sure to order the results in ascending order by largeness. The sizes will often appear in the correct order by default, just because we inserted them in order of largeness. But that might not always be the case, and you should never assume that a SQL statement will order the results the way you want them without an explicit order by clause. I named this column Order so that I could show you one more thing. Order is technically a reserved word in SQL. It begins the order by clause. If you want to use a reserved word for a column name, you can, but you'll have to surround it in backticks every time you use it in a query, like this. That way, MySQL will know it's the name of a column and not an order by clause. This is the query we'll need to write to retrieve the available sizes for a particular shirt. Let's now integrate this query into our model code.